Hi beautiful people, this makeup tutorial is all about a simple everyday look with a very powerful lip color. I just want to remind you guys, I'm no expert of doing perfect makeup, and please enjoy watching. First I'm going to do is put a face moisturizer using Pond's Rich Hydrating, Hypoallergenic, suitable for sensitive skin, won't clog pores, dermatologist tested. What it says, this is one of my favorite moisturizer, guys. I've been using this for a couple of months already, and it's really good because I have a really dry skin. Excuse me guys, I'm no expert, so I'm just like putting whatever I do it down into my face. And next I'm using a Smashbox Photo Finish Oil Free. This is for like my primer. I like to use this. I have two different kind, but this is the one I love the most, and it's really good, makes my makeup stay long. Yeah, and that's how I do it. Just make a fitter fluffing thing. Next one, the foundation. I'm using Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid in the shade of Nude 40 with SPF 20. And about the brushes, guys, I will put all the information down below. If you would like to know, you can check it out. I just love this foundation, guys. It's just really nice into my skin. It's very lightweight. It's not like cakey looking. It's perfect for my skin, and I use this for quite some times already, and I just love it. So yeah. And of course, if you put some, foundation, put something on your neck that you won't look like a ghost. Just like right now, I look like a freaking ghost. But that's okay. Later it will be okay. And I usually put, press my hand into my face just like that. The next I use is the Milani Bronzer Extra Large All Over Glow. This is for all skin type, guys, and I use the darker color. And yeah, just like what I said, the brushes will be in my information down below. And I use the darker one. It's this Milani bronzer is two different colors. This is a Wet n Wild Coloricon blusser in the shade of Mellow Wine. And this is the Wet n Wild Verge. I don't know how you pronounce it, but this is a shimmer palette, and I really love this, guys. And I still use the same brush, and I've been using this, even I don't put any lipstick on, I don't put any, it's just like a very light foundation. I always put this one. It's always give me a shimmer into my cheeks, so it's very nice and pretty. And now it's in the eyes. Let's do the eyes, guys. And this one is the next one. It's the next high definition eyeshadow base. In the, I don't know guys, I don't know the shade, but there is a number here. I will tell you, ESR number 04, and that's the number that I used. And yeah, that's how I do it. Just use your finger. This is the Maybelline New York Sunbaked Neutral. This color, guys, I don't know the name of this color, you know, because when I got this one, it's been a long time already, and I throw whatever, you know, instruction on the color, the name of every color in it. You know, I usually don't know how to do the eyes. You know, it's really hard. It looks like somebody punched me in the eyes, just like that. But that's why I don't put, you know, all the darker and the heavy, because it looks scary to me. I still have to learn, you know, how to do that. And of course, I do pretend I blend, and I hope it looks good on me. But let's pray. This one I use the NYX the slide. No, this is not the NYX slide on. This is the NYX with the eyebrow pencil in the color taupe. And you know, my eyebrow is not really good, but I just make it simple. So I usually put the Deciem palette though, the white in there, to make it it's like a highlighter to me. For me, I would love to just like put a little darker thing in the side, a little darker color in the side. That will be like nice, and it tickles me. After that, I use the highlighter, the same thing what I did my eyebrow. And of course, I pretend that I know what I'm doing. Yeah, this one is the NYX Slide On Glide On eyeliner. This is the color of Jet Black. I really love this, guys. Oh, it's a mess. Now I'm going to comb my eyelashes. And I'm using this, that's a Maybelline New York too. It's a Pump Up. And the same thing, I'm still using the NYX Slide On Glide On under in my waterline, but not too much because I'm just make it. This one is just a simple, not too dark, so I'm just gonna put very little. Okay, it's time to put on for the second time around. Yeah, that's the one. I'm using a MAC lipstick, Ruby Wool color, and of course before I do that, I'll try to line up my lips. Yeah guys, I'm trying my best here to put my Ruby Wool, but this is the best lipstick ever I have, you know. This is the good lipstick ever. I don't know, even sometimes I have a dry lips, you know, but this is good. This is a good lipstick, guys. It makes you like a sexy woman. After this you can sing pretty woman walking down the roof. Why is it in the roof, guys? Into the street. Of course I have to reline it, you know, to line it, because of course when I have to reline my lip because to make it perfect and lined up. And I hope guys you enjoy my video.